Video 955, we're making a goddamn game engine, and my name is Kanji Code. Look at this beautiful game engine. We're making a Bomberman MMO, and we gotta document the code. Right here, this is where you are. Source code. Let's fucking go. Okay, so in the monkey wrench macros, I made some monkey wrench macros here. You can pause to read this. Don't fucking type these things, okay? Let's go down to the next section. In data by system, in the rule bomb data, I made a mistake. Right here, this has to be a var in order to escape this scope right here. I do kind of like conditional compilation, right? So the V16 to what type of laser box we have, right? Only 4 bombs are actually laser boxes, right? Okay, bomb area. Inside of bomb area, we got unit test main boom router functions. Okay, boom spark router function. It's a function that detonates a spark box. All we did was add this extra label, right? Emit from center, shape, spark, right? And we can pick all of these emit from center functions except for the laser shape because spark pins don't have a laser shape, okay? Then down here, boom laser. We're gonna detonate a laser box, okay? Down here, let's go, 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 go. Okay, select EFC shape laser. It's either a laser shape, in which we call the laser blast helper that emits a blast emit from center, a laser blast, right? And it's going to use this information here. If it's not a laser, if it's not a fucking laser, we're throwing a goddamn error because lasers always have a laser shape when they explode, okay? Unit test main, boom jacks. We're going to detonate a jacks bomb, okay? Let's go down here, let's go down here. Okay, emit from center, shape jacks. If the explosion shape, of which there are 4, is not a jacks bomb, then we're going to throw an error right down here because jacks bombs, guess what? Are always fucking jack shaped, right? So we're going to use emit from center jacks with this blast input that, you know, we're filling up here, right? Okay. Now, last function. Boom box. We're going to detonate a box bomb. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go down here. Go down, go down. Okay, emit from center, shape box. So the shape of the explosion should be a box bomb. Otherwise, guess what? Guess what? Box bombs are always box shaped, right? Emit from center a box-shaped blast using this blast input helper, right? And then that's the end of that section, right? That's fucking it. That's fucking it, my friends. There's other things right here. There's some diagrams for explosion shapes right here. We don't got fucking time to look at that shit. Nobody got fucking time for that. You want time for that? You're gonna have to go here to the 10-minute version of this video because we got no time on the 1-minute version. Source code is here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. You need to like and subscribe, especially if you like Bomberman. This is better than Bomberman. I guarantee it. Better than Bomberman. Bomberman on fucking steroids.